Hi guys, another unboxing, yes, but this is from Influenster, so excited to try this to unbox this. It's because I think I know what it is and I can't believe I have this. I don't know if it's this or something else, but I'm waiting. Yes. I got so excited, my boogers were like, wee. I'm kidding, but yeah, like this was me right now, my booger, that's him. After it flew out. Oops, something fell. The card fell. Rare Beauty, yes, I got Selena Gomez makeup line. I'm trying it out today. Oh my gosh, I can't believe Influencer picked me for this. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get picked. I was kind of thinking that, but not really, because I don't want to manifest negative things. But I was like, I put it in the back of my mind. I just sent her and I was like, whatever. But I kept saying, I think I answered the questionnaire wrong. I was supposed to put that I was need to try out all of the colors to get picked for at least one. But no, I just chose one shade that they asked me which one I wanted to try out, right? And surprisingly, they chose me like that, and the specific shade that I asked for, I was like, what? That's new from Influencer. That was very fast and easy. So I was like, so excited when they picked me. Oh my gosh, I can be like, because listen, I've been trying to try her brand for the past months or last year. I can't remember. When her blushes were trending on TikTok, everybody was raving about it. They said that it was the most pigmented great formula out there, those little bottles. And I love blush, so I was like, I need to buy it, but it kind of costs a lot for me. It's not drugstore price. It's probably like 2-digit price. I can't remember if it was like 15, 20, I don't know. To me, it's pretty expensive for a blush. So I was like, and it was in powder. It's kind of like a liquid. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna use it as much either. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it some other time. Fast forward, I didn't buy it. I don't freaking know why. Even when there was sales on, I was like, you know what, I don't know. So I just, anyway, fast forward, this Influencer Voxbox questionnaire appeared, right? And it was asking about makeup. It didn't say it was this brand, but then at the end it says opt in if you want to apply for this brand, basically. And this says it gives you options of like 3 to 4 different brands, right? And one of them was Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty. And I got so excited because I was like, I hope I get to try their blush. But no, it's their new product she just launched. It's this highlighter, and I kind of need highlighter. I'm only put a serum right now anyway, so. But oh, that's her. Look, that glowing highlighter I need. Oh, I wonder if it comes with a brush too. Oh, I like her earrings. It's an S. That's my initial too, the S, but my last name starts with an S, not my first name initial, but still I can rock the S, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, that I got distracted. So yeah, this is her Shine Your Brightest, make Selena Gomez glow your own. So it's a new Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. Oh yes, they also sent me the brush, the new Positive Light Precision highlighter brush. Yeah. Thank God, I can't believe it. Like, what? This is so hard, or for me, to get Influencer, yet alone a big brand that's trending right now. Like, what? I'm like so shocked, but like I'm so happy. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. Okay, so whatever, I need to shut up because I don't buy makeup in Sephora. It's pretty expensive sometimes. Like, I just go to ULTA. So yeah, anyways, I need to just shut up. Yes, I thought it was gonna be something else because the box looked big and I didn't see Influencer. But anyway, so let me show you the exciting part, which is the highlighter. So it comes up with, ignore my chair, I don't like when it shows, but I can't move because of the back truck. Wait, backtrack. Keep falling. Ooh, I like popping these. But anyways, I'm gonna hurry up the process and I'll do it right now. So okay, whatever. So I'm gonna open it and oops. Okay, so ta-da! This how it looks. Wow, so her packaging is very sleek. It's the opposite of me. I'm very bold and colorful. So this kind of looks like older lady packaging. That's why she makes a lot of sales, because a lot of older ladies geared to these packaging, so they end up buying it more, and because they even have more money as opposed to like a college student or teenager kind of thing. But you know, it's for all ages. I'm just saying, like, her marketing skills or her team or whatever know what they're doing. And so yeah, that's basically it. It's sleek, and this is in the shade Enlighten, I think. Is this Enlighten? Where's the shade? Okay, let me just open the box. But let me see. So it comes out like this. Oh, inside it says you are rare. And that's true. I am rare. I'm different. I'm unique. I'm just kidding. I don't know. But yeah, it's the truth. Everybody is weird and special in their own way. So yeah. Okay, I like her message of this brand. Is kind of cool. So, oh, it kind of got dirty. Wow, it kind of looks like Polly Pocket, like those little toys when you had growing up. I don't know. Wow. Okay, I love it's like a nude color. Okay, her packaging is cute. Like when you see this box, you don't think this is gonna come out. This looks exciting. This and like, but then I see this and like, whoa, I like it. So okay, I love that it comes with a mirror, and look, this is a pretty like champagne-y silvery shade. This is the lightest shade they have. They have a lot of other shades, but like I'm fair, so I was like, I need a super light shade for me that I know I'm gonna use all the time. So yeah, the shade is Enlighten. So this is right there. What? This is made in Italy. Alright, she got money. Her stuff are made in Europe. Alright, I hope their ingredients and products are very great over there, because they don't use chemicals like in US. Oh my gosh, the chemicals. But anyways, so it's probably good for your skin too. So, well, I can't stop playing with it. Oh, it kind of matches with my bag, the black one. So anyways, so this is, wait, before I talk more about it, let me just unbox the other. So excited. Okay, so well, this brush is pretty long, so this is how it looks. Ooh, I like the color. It's kind of like peachy cream tone. It comes with these plastics. I mean, oh, it's kind of like a plastic. Ooh, it has like cream brown bristles at the top. It feels very soft, and it's a pretty good size. So for highlighter, like, I was supposed to wash it first, but I won't put like that. Like, yeah, it's a pretty good size for me, for my face. Wow, I love the brush. It matches so well with this highlighter. Look, it looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm excited to. I don't even want to use it. Wow, it's because it's the first fancy expensive thing that I have or that's trending right now. So I usually buy outdated makeup that it's a collection that I already passed, or it's not even a trending. So I don't know, this is special. It's 10 minutes in and I just keep talking, but whatever. So basically I'm just gonna swatch it right now to show you how it is. So, oh, my hair, I can't open it. Okay, so wow, it feels so buttery smooth. I haven't felt a highlighter this soft, and no, I'm not being biased, but it's very soft. It doesn't smell like anything, but it looks like it's not gonna be super pigmented when I swatch it. But well, never mind, I take that back. It looks, with one swipe, it's pigmented. You can see like the shimmer reflection. This is not gonna be super sparkly shimmer intense, but you can still see the shimmers. It's not gonna be chunky is what I mean. It's just like silky, soft. It's a nice formula. So let's see how it looks on my face. I don't know if I should swatch it because I don't have any base or primer, so whatever. I guess I'm just gonna. Okay, so ooh. Yeah. Okay, I like this highlighter. Look, it's popping. Look. Yeah, I love that it doesn't look super like grainy, like glittery. It looks like dewy with shimmer, like, which is good because like me, I have texture on my cheek area, so I don't want to emphasize it more, so this makes it look better. So I also like to put it on my nose like that. Okay, look, a little mustache, sweaty effect. Remove my chin right here. Oops, I put too much here, but basically, first impressions, it doesn't really have a lot of fallout, just a little, but it's normal. So far, oops, I probably shouldn't have done that. It looks and feels great. Wow, I like this. I think it's pretty nice. I can't wait to use it for more looks. Probably this goes more for everyday looks, not the crazy Instagram looks, but it's still pretty nice. I'll still will wear it. So basically that's it for this video. Or you can use it as eyeshadow to like blub like that. So this is talc free, which you need to use if you have makeup products and it has talc. You throw it out, or if you have money. If not, then just don't continue to buy talc products, because that ingredient causes cancer and all these illnesses, and it's bad. This doesn't have it, so I'm so happy, because I'm trying to start incorporating more makeup products that doesn't have that ingredient, because it's very bad for you. Like, you probably don't feel anything right now, but in the long run it's gonna make you sick. So you know, so it's vegan and cruelty free, and which I love too, so I'm excited for that. And what else is, yeah, like she said, it gives you an instant glass like sheen, so what I said basically, and the natural looking glow that lasts. So let's see if it lasts, because there's highlighters that I feel like I have to reapply, so I don't know, we'll see. And it doesn't settle into fine lines or accentuate skin texture, which I need, because like I said, I have like a lot of texture, and I guess it's kind of true. I don't see it emphasizing, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But so yeah, everything sounds very good so far. So alright, she did that. She did that. Okay, I liked her product. So wow, I just can't believe I have this. I'm so shocked. I'm so excited. Wow. So this is her. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, these are all the ingredients up close in case you are interested. So I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this rare beauty box box. And wow, it's so exciting. So y'all better download Influencer app, or if not, just the website, so you can get these makeup opportunities. Like, come on, please, because I don't want to be the only one that receives these cool makeup opportunities. I want other people as well. So y'all better you know, get to it, start the year fresh, start the new year good. Like, download the app so you can get makeup opportunities like this. That's like, it's rare, literally, not pun intended, but to get like opportunities like this, like what? Yeah, I remember I watched her documentary recently, months ago. What else did I watch? And I used to watch Wizards of Waverly Place back then when it first came out. I'm like few years younger than her. I'm not that different by age. Like, we're kind of similar in the age, but not really. I don't know. So, well, it's pretty good. So, it's pretty much it. I'm just gonna end it here. So, bye.